Now, search grass. Choose the best element according to your choice. Now adjust the elements and change the element color. Now, search tree in elements. Choose the best element according to your choice. Let's adjust the size and shape of the elements. Now, add some extra elements to the tree, like birds, branch etc. Let's adjust the size and shape of the elements. Now search birds in the Elements tab. Now, add some wild animals in the design to look more realistic. Choose the best element according to your choice. Please make sure you use only one color in the whole design. Choose the best element according to your choice. Now adjust the elements and change the element color. Let's adjust the size and shape of the elements.